Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Roberto Cavalli model, Fosdinovo 1056, in color code 34G. It's a metallic brown black color frame. On the temples here we have a Roberto Cavalli emblem. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the outside of the temple. The lenses are a brown gradient color, and it has a Roberto Cavalli writing on the top left lens. The style of this frame is full rim square. Up here we have a Roberto Cavalli case to put your glasses in, and a microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.